Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Got a special treat for you today. We got an unboxing of the Dukes of Hazzard Daisy Dukes Plymouth Roadrunner from MPC 125 scale kit. This here is kit number MPC 708. And I believe this was a 73 Roadrunner. Could be 74 though. They were very similar. And I can't find a date on this box anywhere. I purchased this one off of eBay years ago. So let's go ahead and get right into it. If I remember correctly, there's no instructions in this kit. That's the one thing I remember, but it was okay. I figured I'd just, right off the bat we have decals. I figured it'd be a pretty simple build. Let's go ahead and tear this one open. Alrighty. Right off the bat we have the stripes. The red, the white, and the black. And the stuttered stripes for around the roof area. We have air cleaner decals. Option of 340, 360, 400, or 440 in black and white. The decal for around the hood. FCH 630, that's Hazzard County plate. CHH 320. Here we have the hood decal in red. I can't make out with, I think this says a General Lee on the bottom there. I can't make it out with my eyes. Goodyear decal. Daisy Duke, blah blah blah. Couple of badgings, Roadrunner emblems for the sides. 2009, round 2 it says on there. So that'll give you a date of when the kit came out, I guess. So it's a reissue, which is fine. Alrighty. And for tires, we have one metal axle. And then four of these with decent tread, and they're Goodyears. I don't know if you can see it better with or without my hand in the way. Really nice, good hard, on the harder side of the vinyl. And we have, in the bag we have front and rear glass, and the taillight red lenses. And they have a bag of parts here. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm having a wonderful day myself. Not that you care, but I thought I'd share that with you. Here's firewall, radiator, core support, part of the roll bar for inside the vehicle, axle with the springs attached, 2 little scoops. Alright. Some seats and wheel backs. Nice seats. Wheel backs. Little cross member there. Rear bumper under roll pan. Here's the hood. Very nice hood. Absolutely no details underneath. But that's okay. We leave it closed anyway. And here we have the engine. Halves. Intake manifold, the heads. Boy, this thing is molded in all kinds of goofy ways. Here's a big old battery, timing chain, or water pump and timing chain cover and fuel pump. Yeah, goes that way. Part of the tri-carb setup for air cleaner, but this has a standard air cleaner on it, so I'm confused on that. Unless, of course, this kit came from another type of kit. Fan belt and pulley system. Another little square box that could be windshield washer coolant. Windshield washer cleaner. And the 2 side mirrors. Here's the steering wheel. Dashboard that fell off. Another one of them little cross members. And the lower spoiler for the front, I believe that is. And a rear spoiler for the trunk. Must be an option. I don't remember her car having a spoiler back there. Alright. Again, that might be from a different kit. I'll have to look this one up and see what it's all about. And here we have the body. Body is... What? Guys, do you see what I see? This body is like a 75 Plymouth. That's what I'm seeing. I'm not seeing a 73, 74 Satellite body or Roadrunner body. What the heck? Oh, let me see here with the front end. Where was the front end? I seen it in here, right? Didn't I? Nope, I didn't. Okay. Well, apparently half this kit is missing. Here's the rear bumper. That's like a 73, 74 Satellite Roadrunner rear bumper. The front bumper. This body just don't look right to me. I guess it is. I got to see it all completed. I seem to be missing the front end. Give me a second here while I look. Nope. Surprise, surprise. No front grill. Is it in here? Oh, here it is. Pardon me, guys. I'm a little drunk today, apparently. I got all panicky. There's the front end I was looking for. So now we put it up in there, and we got our Satellite, Roadrunner, whatever. And then the other parts are here. False alarm. Sorry to scare you guys. That goes there. But boy, it sure looks like the next generation body style to me. Very, very reminiscent of this kit right here. You know, Roscoe's police car. That's exactly what that looks like to me. Although this portion back here is more slanted down, where this has a little bit more of a fastback style to it. So okay, we'll give him that one. Alright, so in the chrome kit we get an option of two different wheels, like some center lines there, and then the standard, I think they were Rally Plymouth Dodge wheels. 7-blade fan, oil pan, chrome valve covers. Big old carburetor right there. Alternator. A shoe style accelerator pedal. And here's, again, the double air cleaner top that would match the bottom. A chrome steering wheel. Well, that's different. We have the other one here. That's cool. So you get a spare steering wheel. And the elusive grill that was missing. Yeah, a couple little shifter there, a little handle there. Not a whole lot going on in this one. I have to do some more research and see exactly if there's anything missing. Although I think the bottom of the box has the parts list on it. Yeah, I'll go through that and make sure everything's good before I dive into building it. Here is the interior tub with the molded in back seat. Got the little speaker spots back there on the package tray. Brake pedal, gas pedal, a little bit of a molding pin visible there. You can sand that down, clean it up. And here's the chassis, last but not least. Decent thickness. Gas tank, mufflers, exhaust, drive shaft, all inclusive. Torsion bars, K-frame, everything is molded in. So pretty basic build. MPC did some simpler stuff back in the day. So that's it, folks. Appreciate you stopping by. Sorry for the short little panic attack I had there looking for the front end. But Enjoy this one and have yourselves a great day. Keep on modeling. See you on the next one.